I'm very thankful that I came to 1 degree because it has helped me so much. I've even gotten what they call 70% improvement in my neuropathy. I had been to several other doctors, medical doctors, that did not know what to call it, and I even had a knee surgery thinking it was my knee that was needing the help, and I had a pain in my leg, but that didn't get rid of the pain when I got the knee surgery, and it was all, the doctor said it was very good. So finally I saw something in the magazine that said that only for $49 I could find out if they could help me or not. And I thought, that's worth it. I'm going to find out if they can help me. And Dr. Weinman said he could help me, and it certainly has helped. I have no way to say thank you enough because I've had a lot of help in my legs. I've been very faithful in doing the kind of treatments, the water treatment, the light treatment, and the waiver. I've used the waiver, and that has helped a great deal too. And I have one at home, so that helps. But I do recommend that kind of therapy for anybody that has neuropathy and doesn't know where to go to get help. Thank you.